we're plant shopping in Florida. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick, and I love plants. And if you do too, you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, because I love going on these planty adventures, near and far. So if that sounds like something that could be fun for you, then you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. In today's video, we are at Casaplanta in Miami, and we're checking out their plants. I've been here before, so it's good to be back, but the plants are looking large and in charge, so let's go plant shopping. Oh, it's great to be back. The weather in Miami is beautiful. Last time I was here, it was kind of a dreary, rainy day, so it's nice to see how everything looks in this beautiful, happy sunshine. I thought I'd be dying, but actually the weather is just right. It's not anything like it was last year for the Aroid show. It was just really hot last year. Wow, look at this huge Spathiphyllum sensation. This is awesome. Ooh, and this giant Calathea ornata. Is this what that is? It's almost harder to recognize because it's so big. It's $29.98. That's a really good price. Whoa, the plants here are just like the same plants but just on another level. These leaves are huge. This is the Tenanthe luberciana. Gorgeous. $29.98 for that too, and it's in a gallon. It's really good. Calathea white stars. I moved mine outside and it's doing so much better. It's really cool. I need to show you guys because I actually had to cut it down all the way down to the ground. It was nothing, and the leaves started popping up and now it's looking full. Calathea white fusion. I wouldn't even dare try bringing one home to California. Calathea mosaica, the network Calathea. These are $17.98. Oh, look at this monster. Thaumatophyllum for $99.98. That's such a good deal. Because I would expect to pay like $149 for that, and I'd say that would be a pretty decent price in California. Ooh, Thai constellation. Maybe it's $99.98 too. $274.98. Such a specific price. Ooh, I like this one. You know, maybe if I just met the lovely Ariel who works here, and she also runs the Instagram, but she's so nice and really sweet. Shout out. Okay, I know these are like more common now, but these just look great. They look beautiful. I love the gray like silveriness to them, and they're so full. Love them. She said that she actually just took the 2 Thai constellations off the floor because she did not grow them. She wanted me to know that, so I'm letting you know that. Anyways, let's look at the alocasias. Everyone is so nice here. This is a Alocasia chantrieri. That's another one we don't really see in California. I wonder how much it is. I don't want to disrupt. It's $49.98. Nice. So Anthurium fingers, $14.98, and $49.98 for the Beginda dragon scale. Ooh. Alocasia quilted dreams, $44.98. Oh, and $14.98 for the Alocasia Maharani. That's pretty. And the Alocasia Ivory Coast, $14.98 as well. Whoa, check these out. Florida green, $44.98. Oh my gosh. Sweat check. It's real. Okay, so we see fuzzy petioles in California, but they're never this happy. These are $24.98. Oh, and these are the largest Monstera laniatas. Look at that. I love that satiny sheen that Monstera adansonii has. And some philodendron beatias. Whoa, check the price. $39.98. That's crazy. Rhaphidophora corthalzii is what this one says. Okay. Yeah, these leaves look nice and big. And is this an Amedrium? Ah, Amedrium medium for $89.90. Some Mickey Mouse alocasias. These are cute. $149.98. That was exciting. Those plants were awesome. Oh, what is Homolomina selby? This is a fun one. I'm just starting to see this in California, and it's really exciting. These are $14.98. These have been here for a while, I believe. I feel like Homolomina selby is pretty common here in Florida. Beautiful cissus discolor for $29.98. Cissus amazonica. Cool. These are $4.49 in the little 2-inch pots. Let's see what other goodies we can find for $4.49. Pilea Moon Valley. Oh, little baby Maranta. Love that. Ooh, I just had the idea, like, what if I find a really cool Maranta while I'm here in Florida? That would be awesome. Like, the only one I'm missing is the black Maranta. So, I wonder if that's out here. They have the green Maranta here. Ooh, this one has some variegation. That's pretty cool. And this one too. These are all $14.98, whether they're variegated or not. Check out how impressive these Hilo Beauties are. Wow. When they get to be the size, their leaves don't feel like paper thin anymore. They feel pretty, like, thick and succulent. Check out the venation on that. That is what's making it feel nice and firm. And Begonia maculatas for $17.98. So glad I got that one from Rosales. Because, oh, wow, that's a beautiful leaf. Ooh, this is a beautiful plant. That new growth, so pretty. But as I was saying, I don't get that that jealous feeling when I see some nice Begonia maculatas, because I have my own. Ooh. Geogenanthus ciliatus. Interesting. And it's only $17.98. Oh my gosh, that Vanda is beautiful. Oh, that's cool. These pots are free with purchase of any 5-inch orchid. Vanda orchids are really gorgeous, especially the ones here. Epipremnum pinnatum. I thought these were Cebu blues, but I don't think they are the Cebu blue Epipremnum pinnatums. Pretty though. Nice and full. I was thinking, I'm like, what am I missing from this tour? Like, what have I not gone over? It's the Hoyas. Look at this. I love the sun stressing on this Hoya carrii, intervariegated. And see how humid it is? They're rooting. They're rooted. You can literally just cut this right here and plant this and it will become a plant like 100%. You can just stick that in soil too. Hoya carrii splash, $60. Let's see how much this carry was. $34.98. Oh, it just slapped me in the face. This was $34.98. And you can technically make many plants out of it. Wow, look at this. Sun-stressed Hoya australis. $11.98. Australis Lisa. Same price. And they got the Hoya pubicalix. Some are splashier than others. They are $17.98 for this large 6-inch pot. And Hoya Bertonier for $14.98. 6-inch pots of Hoya acuta for $34.98. Look at these babies. Those baby leaves, so cute. That breeze against my perspiration. Another Syndapsis trubii, $17.98. It's truly become pretty common out here. And they're nice looking too. You know, I see a lot of like really scarred Syndapsis trubii moonlight in California. These are all nice and fresh faced. And the ZZs. I was hoping to see some cool ZZs, like the ZZ Chameleon or a ZZ Zenzi. They do have the Raven ZZ, however. And these are cool because they're like just starting to turn, and I like that look. Nice big pots of Syndapsis Pictus exotica. It's funny because in California I see places trying to charge you like $30 for this. $16.98 though, that's really good. Oh, and here are some highly variegated golden pothos. Nice. Oh, and this is interesting. The Schismaglottis wallichii. $21.98. Whoa. I love seeing all the different varieties of coleus. They have so many. And check out the Crotons. See, they're living their best life in the Florida full sun. Ooh, some coconut palms. At least I think that's what these are. Oh no, palm grass. Interesting. Yeah, I was looking for like the little coconuts at the base because the leaves remind me of those, but no, palm grass. Interesting. It's really pretty. Wow, look at this ponytail palm. That is the tallest ponytail palm that I've ever seen. Oh, and I love the orchids growing on trees. That's exactly what they do. So cool. And looks like they have the large form of the monstera, which is cool. But I think that's pretty much it. They're just getting ready for the big weekend. It's the Aroid show. Oh, look who's here. This is like a Zen Lucy. She? What kind of dog are you? Like part, the tail kind of makes me think it's part Xolo. So cute. What are you? Hey. You're cute. Oh, buddy. Okay. Oh. Look, I made a friend. Bye. He is so, like, he's just too cool. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun checking things out here at Casaplanta. But this was a fun trip. The plants here are beautiful. The weather's beautiful. I mean, despite me, like, sweating buckets, It's not as bad as last year. I'm not dying, and if anything, I'm just exhausted from the trip here, but it's cool. This is nice. The weather is perfect, so I think I'm gonna hit the beach. Or maybe the Venetian pools. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to